Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress in Localhost. First, you'll need to set up a local server environment on your computer. Popular choices include XAMPP for cross-platform use or WAMP for Windows. Once installed, make sure the Apache web server and MySQL database services are actively running. Then, create a dedicated folder for your WordPress project inside your server's webroot directory, often named htdocs or www. Next, head over to the official WordPress.org website and download the most recent WordPress package. Once downloaded, extract all those files directly into the new folder you created in your local server's web directory. Now, open your web browser and navigate to phpMyAdmin, usually found at localhost/phpMyAdmin. Here, you'll create a brand new database. Give it a simple, descriptive name, as you'll need this name for the WordPress installation process. With your database ready, open your web browser and type localhost/your site folder name into the address bar to begin the WordPress installation. The installer will guide you through a few simple steps, starting with language selection. When prompted for database details, enter the database name you just created. For the username, it's typically root, and you can leave the password field empty for local setups. Finally, provide a site title and create your administrator username and password to complete the famous 5-minute installation. Congratulations! Your WordPress site is now installed locally. You can log into your WordPress dashboard by navigating to localhost/your site folder name/wp-admin and entering the administrator username and password you set up. From here, you have full control to manage your content, install themes, add plugins, and customize your site. This local environment is perfect for experimenting, developing, and testing new features without impacting any live website. Enjoy building your new site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.